Started. Yeah. Namaskaram, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. Today we have three awesome Hatha Yoga teachers, Sanamaka, Tuhinaka, and of course Kanika, who are with us today, and they'll be sharing a bit about their journey and more importantly about a new venture that all three of them have together started, known as Align Me. So before we go into the podcast, I would just like to let you guys know that this is also available in audio format in Apple Podcast, Spotify, and all other major podcast platforms. So if you guys want to listen to it while driving, while cooking, or anything else, you can check it out there. So, Namaskaram, Akka. How are you guys?
Namaskaram, Vaisakana.
Namaskaram.
Thank you for having us.
Welcome.
What is this?
This is no more Namaskaram, only peace out.
Oh, okay.
We'll do it at the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Piecing out
We'll
before
do this
we
like for
started,
align
like,
me.
bye.
We'll do this
Oh,
for like align me.
So story time. Now I won't talk.
Yeah, okay.
So how did you three
What-
guys meet and how's been your journey till now? Before we go into Align Me.
Okay.
Who wants to go? Kanika, go first.
I- Okay, so namaskaram everyone. For some of you who might know us from our Instagrams, you might already know that Tuhina and I were actually roommates during our training program. So during the Isha Hatha Yoga Teachers Training Program, we were roommates. So we were together for 5 months. So that's how I know her. And Sanam, both of us, Tuhina and I know Sanam because she was so wonderful. She volunteered for our batch. We were in the 2017 batch, and Sanam did her training in 2016. And a lot of teachers come to the training program to volunteer, and she was one of those teachers. And she shared a lot during our training program. She shared about her sort of knowledge about marketing and digital marketing and branding. And I remember she had a really informative session that we all really enjoyed. And she also took a couple of our little mini tests that we have during the training. So she was testing us as well.
Quality
So
check.
that
Quality
was how
check.
the first time I met. We won't get into those details,
Yeah.
but that's how I met Sanam and Tuhina for the first time. Both I met at the ashram.
Number two, who is going?
Sanam and Tuhina, you want to share? Yeah, one of you. go.
Yes, sure. So, like Kanika already mentioned that how like the I got to know her because we were roommates, but the training is such that you don't really find the time to socialize. So even though we were sharing the same room, we barely got to really get to know each other during that time.
I just
And-
found out a few months back that Tuhina has a brother. We lived together for 5 months without knowing like some of the most basic things about each other.
It's true. So that's how, even though we were in the same room, we really didn't know each other. But during this period of quarantine, I think there was always this mutual love that I shared for her, and tremendous respect for the kind of work that she was doing. Immediately after the training, she was always on, and she always made sure that the teaching was out there, no matter where she was in the world. Even when she was traveling, classes were happening in Germany, in US, here and there, wherever she went. She took Isha Hatha Yoga classes with her, and I think that is something that I really admired about her from the beginning. So during quarantine, it just so happened that I was just for the love of it, I was doing a live session, and nothing much, something very simple. And then Kanika was also very excited. She's like, let's do something. And I was like, yeah, let's collaborate. And then from there, the journey began of us working together and really getting to know one another. And the experience was so beautiful that it just felt like we shouldn't stop. We should just try to keep innovating and figure out how to keep collaborating. And with Sanam, it was a very different bond. It was very sweet. I think there was always this, when you have a crush on someone and then you look up to them.
somebody under pressure.
It's Sanam. It was a bit like that, because when she came during her training and she was just so poised and so kept together, and she had everything sorted. But Asanam, how she started her venture right after training, and the way she explained it to her, she was so eloquent and she was so graceful and beautiful in the way she had built her own brand, that I was smitten. I was like, oh my god, like I'm surrounded by such like talented, wonderful people. So there was always this respect that I had for her. And like Sarah mentioned earlier, that we bonded because I also had an injury, and I think she overheard me talking to someone, and then she helped me out through it. And that was very kind of her. I didn't even expect, because I'd never really spoken to her on a personal level. And there she was, so warm and open and just willing to help. And I was really touched by that gesture. So yeah, during quarantine, I think Kanika suggested that, I was talking to Sanam, what if we get her on board? And that's how Sanam became part of this. And when I got to know her, so during quarantine is when we actually started talking, and I got to know her on a personal level. And I was just so grateful because I fell in love with both of these beautiful people. Like literally, when I say I'm in love with them,
It's true. It's unhealthy, the kind of love we have for each other.
It's true.
But they have been. Tuhina, continue, then I will say after Sanam spoken. I just want to say something about the two of them because I felt my introduction was very dry.
How much did you guys pay? Minaka, how much money did paisa diya inko?
80% of I need the profit. It's coming. I'm just joking. So it was just like, just like, when I think when we came together, it was just, we just fit well. I think there was just this abundance of creativity and flow and love, and there was no judgment. There was always this encouraging environment, and it just kind of fit together. It was like a yantra, like a triangle with three of us together. At least for me, I feel like I can do a lot more when we are together than if I had to do by myself. And that level of trust, to feel that with the people that you work with or you're just bonded with, it's just beautiful. So I'm sorry for taking up this much time, but I just wanted to share how we came together and how I got to get to know these people. And it was just by grace, I think it all worked out. So that's how I feel. Yeah.
Sanamaka, have you written down all this? Have you written it?
I don't know. Both of them are so good with
hard
their
battle.
words. And
You have to win it. You have to win this battle. Come
I
on.
already give up. I'm happy to lose to these two girls because they are so good with their words and they say everything, and then you feel like, I told them this the other day, because we send each other a lot of voice notes all the time, every day. They're always really loving and encouraging each other. And by the end of it, Kanika will say something sweet, Tuhina will say something sweet, and I won't have anything left to say. I just sound like this person who's just like, yeah, I love you too. Kind of.
Peace out.
Yeah, peace.
Oh no, I think Sanamaka lost her electricity.
Yeah. But she's still online. Is she still online?
She's showing online. Should I just pause this till she comes back?
Yeah. Yeah, I think.
So we have Sanamaka back after her small glitch. Yes, continue, Akka.
After the electricity went and came back. Am I clear? I'll start with Kanika. I think with Kanika, I've had many small random run-ins, which led to this blossoming friendship, if I can call it that. I think initially, the first time I heard about her was obviously when I had gone to their batch, and some names kind of stuck out a little bit, and I think we spoke a bit. But then she also met my brother later on in Delhi, for when the Devi temple there was being inaugurated or opened. And I remember, messaged me and said, "Hey, do you know Kanika Manchanda?" And I said, yeah, she's a very sweet girl, and she's from the next batch and everything. So there were all these small things that happened. And I know Kanika and I even spoke a couple of times on, how are things happening, how to go about setting up classes, how to approach corporates, and all these other kind of things which teachers talk about after the training. And so we had that little bit of communication going. But as I mentioned earlier, I think the time when I really warmed up to her was during the upgrade. So the upgrade is a time when you get to meet teachers from all the other batches, and it's really nice because you're learning new things. And but it's a lot of fun as well. The school makes sure that we're having a great time during the upgrades, even though it's quite intense, and you might be learning new things. And we had this little outing, and so somehow all the buses got filled, and I wasn't sure which bus to go in. And then suddenly Kanika was like, "Come in our bus," and her bus had only like their batch participants. I think very few from my batch. And I was a little hesitant, but I said, "No, I need to break my limitations and go with people that I don't know." So I got the bus, and I think it was like one of the best days of that upgrade for me, because the whole batch is so vibrant, and everyone was having fun. We were laughing, dancing, and Kanika was just super warm, and I never felt like a stranger on that bus. And that was actually really special for me. And I always, whenever I think of Kanika, it always takes me back to that particular day. And then later on, of course, once the lockdown happened, she did a little live with me where we spoke about a couple of things, about my injury and all those things. And then, like Tuhina said, we kind of, Kanika brought us together, actually. She was like the melting pot.
That's true.
Yeah. And then this happened. And now we're starting something new. So with Tuhina, it was like she said, we never really spoke much. We just, had again small run-ins in the ashram only. And when she had her injury, it was I don't know why, because it's normally not something that I would maybe do, unless somebody came. Yeah, unless somebody came directly to me and told me that, "Hey, I have this problem, can you help me?" I wouldn't do something like that if it was not my place to do something like that. But with Tuhina, I don't remember exactly how, but I found out that she has this injury, and I just felt like I want to help her. Like I need to do something to be able to help her. So I asked a friend of mine who was going to a doctor nearby, and she was benefiting from that treatment. So I kind of put Tuhina in touch with them. And I think we've chatted a little bit on Instagram, through, just randomly catching up, saying now and everything. And then couldn't, we couldn't resist anymore. And we were all together, and now we're working together. So I don't think something I would have done something like align me with. I don't think I would have wanted to do something like align me with anyone else, other than these two. I don't even know if it would be possible to do it with anyone else apart from these two, because for us, my most favorite thing about working with Kanika and Tuhina is the ease. There is just this ease with everything, like anything. We have to make a poster, there's ease. we have to go live, we have to do this, we have to do that, we have to talk to someone, we have to call someone. Everyone just steps up, takes up their own responsibilities, and it just happens without really having to struggle or work really hard at it. And also like Tuhina mentioned, we're always kind of uplifting each other all the time, which is a really wonderful space to be in. It's such a nice, safe space, and you feel so warm. So yeah, that's what I want to say about how we met and how we are right now.
Sanamaka came prepared, okay? She won it. You guys lost.
Okay, I
Go
want
away.
to say something now.
Go away, Kanika. You lost some big time.
I started.
Kanika is
I just cheated.
win this.
I need I hope I get Vaiso's hamper.
Vaisa, can I guess you should have a hamper now?
Yes.
It's about time. You're
Yes.
famous enough.
Biryani hamper illa.
We'll still take it.
Yeah.
So I just want to say one thing. These girls have covered everything and they've spoken so beautifully and, from the heart. And everything they've said rings so true because it's so honest and it's from such a pure place. And I feel all of that or everything that they've said. For me, honestly, it's been like working with them, just every interaction with them has been so full of love and positivity and just tremendous creative energy. I feel like the two of them have just helped me tap into a creative aspect of my being which I had sort of suppressed or neglected. So thanks to how accomplished they are as creative individuals also has really been something that I will forever be eternally grateful to them for. And it's like this beautiful sisterhood, all three of us. We're constantly uplifting each other. There's always more to learn from each other. There's always new things for us to discover, and this is not just work related, even in every aspect of life, whether it is health, whether it's well-being, spirituality, just our way of being, relationships, all of that. Like there's nothing I can't talk to them about. And so I have
Yeah.
personally really benefited from our every interaction. Each time I speak to them, it is just a phenomenal experience. So I just want to say that.
Awesome. Okay, Kanika, still you don't win the prize, okay? Good try, but you lost.
Sanam is the winner.
So now we have to go into Align Me. Like I think viewers and me also would like to how it started, like why it, like who had the first idea, and how, like the childhood of Align Me. I do my podcast with childhood of people. So can we do childhood of Align Me?
I so don't even remember like how this. So all I remember is we started doing online programs together. We were just amazed with how much we poured, how much of ourselves we completely poured into that online program. Like so there's nothing 50% or 70% or even 90% that happens with both of them. Okay, when we do anything, they're going to give it their 110%, 200%. So that is why even when we did online programs, we made sure that every aspect of the program, every down to the most tiny detail was taken care of. And this comes through in the participant experience also, and in their sharings also, because they notice that there is a certain attention to detail with every aspect, with not just teaching, with just the overall experience, like any Isha program, but making sure that standard and that quality is always held and never compromised. So from there, we wanted to, we were already doing some part of it during our online programs, like, to ensure that participants remained on the, sort of on the beat with their practices and things. We would have WhatsApp groups. We would ask them from time to time, how are your practices going? For the food session, we asked them, to share recipes they'd been making, or if they'd been able to incorporate healthy changes in their life. So it sort of had started coming together at that point. Specifically, I don't remember how the whole idea came about, but it sort of just organically grew from that, is what I remember. But I'm sure Sanam and Tuhina can share more.
No, I remember that once we had finished conducting 2 online programs that we had done, like 2 separate versions of it. After that, we decided that we wanted to do something more. Like this was a little limiting, and we wanted to explore the online platform because the COVID situation kind of forced us to think and expand in that direction. and something that we can make more accessible, more sustainable for the participants as well as for us, and try to create an opportunity which might be in front of us, but we're not able to see it yet. So we were in conversation about that after we had done these two programs. And from there, we decided, let's create an online platform. And first, the idea was to do it on a website, and then gradually it evolved into becoming an app. And so like what Kanika said, it organically kind of grew. So I think all three of us were always on the same page, because we could see that we wanted to do something more with what was given to us, and how we can possibly evolve. And it was really interesting, the best part was that because that intention was there, somehow things just fell into place. So we would just like meet people who were actually supporting us, supporting this idea. Just one after the other, it almost felt like something magical was happening. And there was like support from the universe to make it happen. And we were like, how can we resist something which is like making its way for us? And the birth of Aligny happened. It was simple things like, coming up with name. We sat through few sessions, but suddenly I remember when this name came up, no idea how this came up. I was just going through the other day, there was like list of 20 names we had, and when this name happened, all three of us were like, you know what, it sounds good. And I think that's how it was for us every time. Like when we designed the logo, we will look at it, and somehow all three of us would end up being on the same page, whether it's about the color scheme or the design, or in our logo, you'll see there's a little zigzag line that's there. Even something as simple as those little tiny elements. So that entire process was very interesting, and all these little details that we encountered while making this platform just seemed to happen very naturally. Nothing ever felt like we had to force ourselves or had to put too much effort. It was just like, I think we were all, sometimes we were slow, sometimes we were fast, the pace would differ, but we were all moving and headed in the same direction. So yeah, it's finally out there. And yesterday all of us were like so excited because we finally officially announced the program, and we got our first participant, and we were screaming like children, because it just felt so good to be able to, you've seen it from being conceived to finally being delivered, and it was just like a very, very beautiful experience.
Can I just pause? The doorbell has rang like 5 times.
Okay. Let me just pause it.
Yeah.
Over to our winner, Sanamaka. Sanamaka, competition is still on.
As you, every question is like this now, and as usual, Kanika and Tuhina have said everything. So I just feel like saying what she said, just put that together for my answer. But without sounding like I'm repeating everything, just one thing that I would like to say is it really was. It was like magic, actually, how things started happening. So for example, let me just give you a very brief thing about the app. For example, it was just one day we were thinking about how do we have a platform where we can maybe provide some more things, like maybe some details about the programs or some food stuff, just for people to get one place to come and find us, rather than just thinking of like sending messages on WhatsApp and all. And we were thinking, and we almost gave up on that idea for the time being, because it required a lot of work. It required like making a website, and then, website takes a lot of time. We don't have that know-how of how to develop a website. So then we had to find a developer and all these things. I remember, I think at one point we said this thing like, but apps are crazy expensive, and for sure we don't know how to make one website. We could have still managed on our own, but we were like, no, forget it, app won't happen. And just the next day, someone who I had very briefly spoken to messaged me and said, hey, you're a yoga teacher and I want to talk to you about something. I'm doing something and I want to see if you can help me and if we can work together. So I got on the phone and I spoke to him, and he kind of told us that he's a developer and that he could help us, develop an app, and and that we can use it for our programs. And so we spoke about it, and I called Kanika Tuhina and I said, I think we can have an app because from nowhere this person has shown up, and this might just happen. And we were all like, yeah. So immediately we got him on Zoom and we just spoke to him and we set it up, and it was amazing because his platform, for those of you who will eventually come and use the app and do one of our programs, you'll see that while it's a basic app, because he's just it's like the first version of it, and we want to keep improving on it as we go. The app still has a lot of stuff which a meditator or a person who does our program would really want. So for example, you can track your vitals. You can suppose you learn a practice, you'll start getting reminders from the next day. Have you done this practice? And you can put in, yes, I've done this practice. You can put a picture that you've done this practice, and you can show a picture of yourself doing it. It'll ask you how many cycles did you do of let's say yoga namaskar, or suppose they attend a food program, it'll ask you from the next day onwards, did you incorporate these things that we taught you in the program today? Simple things that people come to the class and learn and listen to, but not necessary that they start implementing it from the next day, because our programs are so packed with information that sometimes people, they might only selectively pick up a few things and do that. But it's the kind of information that is given by Sadhguru and even the teachers in the session. If you incorporate all of that within a short period of time, you can really see a significant amount of change within you, so the whole idea came about like that. Like, how do we give them something and help them and be with them 24/7 without actually being with them, and guiding them, making it interactive, getting them to participate, and making it a fun journey. Like, wellness should be a fun thing. It shouldn't be something that's intimidating, or a lot of people get so intimidated by wellness or yoga. They'll feel like, no, I'm not flexible enough, or this is too much, I can't do raw food so quickly, I can't change my diet, I can't do this. So how do you kind of handhold them through the process, and like I said, be with them 24/7, even without really being there or doing a live session every day. So that's kind of a gist of what Align Me aims to do.
Sanamaka even has punchlines, being there without being there. She has one again, huh?
We are very happy to lose to Sanam. Let her do the talking.
That's true.
It's very hard to find something to talk about that these two have not already said. So
your homework is paying. Your homework is paying off, Akka. So can we talk more about the program? Like, what are the modules and what kind of people can make use of it, and the age group, like a little bit more. Should we start with Sanamaka?
Sanam, why don't you go first?
Yeah. We'll rotate.
Okay. So, all right. So let's do one thing. I'll talk about one of the programs, and then
Like nice.
So in general, I'll give a little overview about who can attend the program. So basically, anybody and everybody can attend the program. Okay. We've kept an age limit of 7 and above for the yoga sessions. And for the food program, we've kept an age limit of 12 and above. It's just because children below that age will need some more assistance, some guidance, and maybe we would want to interact with them in a slightly different way than how we would do it for a session with adults. So again, coming back to it, anybody can do it. Actually, these practices, many of you would know, but Upayoga practices and the pranayams and the meditations that we teach, can be done by anybody, somebody, a young person, a much older person, because while they are very gentle, they're still super effective, and a lot of people can benefit from it. There are ways to work around the practice also. So if you have an injury and you're unable to do something, there are still ways for us to help you learn that, which you might not know, you won't get that information online on YouTube or anything. So that's why it's so important that you come to a class and you learn from a teacher, because they will be able to give you a few more, I won't say tips, I don't like the word much, but they'll be able to give you a little more maybe modifications or some inputs on how you can still do the practice. And if you're struggling, because if you're at home and you're just watching a video and you're doing the practice, you don't even know if you're doing it right or wrong. So having said that, we have 2 3-week programs that you can do. And oops, am I there?
Yes,
Okay.
you're there.
So
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So we have 2 3-week programs that you can do, and you can club them together also and do a 6-week program with us. We've kind of designed it in that way that you can choose. So it's even for somebody who wants to just is not sure, should I do 6 weeks or not? He can come and do it for 3 weeks, and then I'm pretty sure they will want to continue, so they can sign up for the remaining 3 weeks also, and then do the whole 6-week program with us. So the first program from this 6-week program is called Kickstart. And this is for those who want to take that first step towards their wellness journey. Maybe, they've never done a yoga practice before, and they just want to understand, Isha practices, or just kind of dip their feet and test the waters. So but having said that, even though it's a program which is called Kickstart and it sounds like it's very basic, it has everything that we are offering for even the remaining few weeks, So you will still get all the, you will get, so 3 weeks, so you get 3 food sessions, you get 3 yoga sessions, you get 3 meditation sessions. Again, you get your reminders, you get your tasks, you get meal plans. So every time you attend a food program, from the next day, we're giving you these curated meal plans, which are, recipes that we've found and we've selected. And this will actually help you incorporate what you learned in class into your actual lifestyle. So you'll be able to take all those tips from what you learned in class and put it on your plate.
Nice. I like how Sanam's like coming up with these one-liners.
Yeah, but
No, continue.
You wanted to say something? Okay. So that's how it is essentially. It's a mix of all the programs are a mix of yoga, meditation, and the yogic diet. Also, you get, how online on YouTube, there's a lot of information which is very scattered. So for a person, suppose they only want to know about a couple of things or start their journey, they don't really know which video do I start with? What do I watch? It might be today I'm watching something on food, and then tomorrow I'll go online and I'll see something about something much more intense about prana, but I'm not ready to actually watch that content, So how to help a completely new person to, yoga or a healthier lifestyle, or Isha for that matter, how to kind of direct them in the right direction. So the articles, the videos that you will be getting are designed, we've scheduled them in such a way that they're given to you at the right time, so that it's relevant to what you learned in the class or what we're talking about. So yeah, overall, I think it's really wonderfully designed. I actually wish when I had started that I had something like this. So I really think it'll be very beneficial for quite a few people.
Awesome. So next is Tuhinaka, right? I sometimes worry whether my screen is stuck. Like Tuhinaka is so still. I'm like, I scroll.
That is her yoga. She's so still.
Yeah.
I'm right here.
Okay.
So like what Sanam mentioned, that we have a 2-3 week two programs which are of 3 weeks, and one is a 6-week program. So the second version of the 3-week program is called Spine Fit. So that program specifically aims at keeping the spine, taking care of the health of the spine. As you know, in yoga, the spine is considered. Aisa karna is adjusting his voice. So, as you know, right, like in yoga, spine is considered to be the most important aspect of the body, right? And a lot of things that any issues that we have in our day-to-day life, most of it can be just taken care of if we just learn. And
oh, Tuhinaka, what happened? You got muted. Yes, we have Tuhinaka back after glitch.
Namaskaram. So as I was saying that this entire program, the Spine Fit program, is designed specifically keeping how to keep the health of the spine in the best possible manner. And as you know that, a lot of complications that we experience, or a lot of things can be avoided just by keeping the spine in the right manner. Something as simple as, when we feel tired or we feel sleepy, and if we just sit in a certain way, which has the, the spine is kept in an erect manner, you'll see that automatically the need for sleep will come down, the need for water, and just if you're very hungry, the need for food will also come down. That all happens just because if you keep your spine in a certain way, your alertness level will go up. So right now the lifestyle is such that, if you look at the chairs that we sit on or the couches that we have at home, we don't really get the necessary lumbar support, or we are falling to the so-called luxury that we get in our lives. So even if somebody is working in corporate settings, the chairs, just sitting in one posture for like prolonged period of time, that can create a lot of discomfort. So these practices that we will be sharing aims towards maintaining the health of your spine. Spine is one major aspect of it, but again, the entire program is designed in such a way that there will be other aspects as well. For example, we have practices, yogic practices will address this issue. We have, again, meditations, which will take care of, it's a balanced lifestyle that we want to promote, right? So it's going to take care of different aspects of life, including the food sessions that Sanam previously spoke about. So the format is going to be the same as it is in the first 3 weeks. And the following 3 weeks, the format will be the same, but the content of it will be more focused towards the spine. The most exciting part of this entire program is, at least for us, is the live brunch sessions that we're gonna have on Sunday. It's gonna be like a get together with all the participants. We're gonna all be together cooking a meal, and by the end of it, you can all enjoy a meal that we prepared. I think that whole sense of community is something that Align Me is also aiming to promote, where you don't feel like you're on this journey by yourself, because sometimes that can not motivate a lot of people to continue with it, and especially during these times when our social situation is such where we are not really being able to come together in larger groups. Using online platform to keep that community alive and to support each other is equally important. So that's one of the programs, and I think I can tell about the other programs that we have which are offering.
Kanika, this is your chance to win the prize, huh?
I have the best program to talk about because it's the food program.
Go for it.
So Sanam and Tuhina spoke about the 3-week and the 6-week long program. So the 6-week long program, which essentially combines the 2 3-week programs. So the 6-week program is called Total Reset, which is essentially, as the name suggests, you're going to totally reset your health and well-being and address all aspects of your well-being. So there's your overall fitness program, which is the Kickstart program, and then combined with Spine Fit. So for your spinal health in particular, it'll ensure that, the entire 6-week long journey, you're able to not only make significant changes to your lifestyle, but also notice changes in your way of being. So you'll be able to track your progress from day 1 to day 42. You'll definitely notice, if you stick with the program and if you're following the instructions and the guidelines, you will definitely notice a difference in your energy levels. You'll notice a difference in how much calmer you feel, in how much aware you feel, and how the food you're eating is different and how it's making you feel different. So all of that is there. And then, of course, we have a capsule module, which is only for the food program. So if there's someone who wants to only mainly focus on yogic diet fundamentals, they have again the option of 2 programs. The food programs are divided into 2 different editions. The first edition is the raw food edition. So there will be 3 sessions in this. And Vaisa Khanna is smiling because
I'm
biryani
going.
doesn't
I'm
figure in the
going.
raw food.
You guys
edition.
completely called me.
So in the raw food edition, we will specifically be looking at, how the importance of raw food in your diet, how you can start increasing your intake of raw food. And the food programs are not only about us teaching you about diet fundamentals, it's also about learning by doing. So a lot of times what people struggle with is that they will know the theoretical aspects of it, that yes, they should be eating more salads, yes, they should be reducing the amount of grains or carbohydrates in their diet. But to actually make that happen is a challenge, because you're used to a certain way of cooking and eating a certain way. So we're sort of going to break it down step by step for you. So we will, in each of those sessions, we will be talking about aspects of food, and we will also be demonstrating and live cooking recipes with you. So every week you'll be learning a new recipe. You will be receiving meal plans for the entire week, which will help you incorporate those changes in your day-to-day lifestyle as well. But being able to cook alongside, with other participants, sort of globally connected in this virtual kitchen of sorts, and being able to cook those raw food, whatever, those healthy recipes, and then eat it. And because that's a major step, because a lot of times there's a mental block that, healthy food is not tasty, or healthy food is not filling, or healthy food is really hard to make. So we're sort of busting all of these myths with our programs, because they learn how easy it is to make those recipes, and they will also enjoy it. And we got some phenomenal responses from the participants when we conducted this for the first time. And they constantly share pictures of food that of the changes they've made in their lifestyle. So we really hope that people can see this as something that they're not only doing for the duration of the program, but overall as a lifestyle change. The next food program edition is known as the multi-grain edition. So like the name suggests, it's going to be about moving from a uni-grain diet. So what happens these days is that most of us, so the primary grains that we're consuming are either rice, which is mostly white polished rice, or it is wheat. Mostly in North India, wheat is very common. So this is one of the major reasons why there's a large number of Indians who are on the brink of getting diabetes. And the primary reason doctors say is the tendency to lean towards a uni-grain diet. So we want to move away from that. We want to understand. We want people and participants to understand the significance of traditional grains like millets, ragi, bajra, sorghum. We want them to incorporate these in their daily diet, because these are very simple to do, and yet very healthy for you, very nutritious. They are much richer when it comes to vitamins and minerals, and they're digested better by the system. So we want them to adopt these different grains in their diet. And the multi-grain diet will also focus on sources of vegetarian protein, which are extremely healthy, that they can incorporate in their diet. And the recipes, the meal plans, all of them are designed in such a way that in those 3 sessions that they will be learning about a multi-grain diet, they will also be able to incorporate it in their daily life. So these are the food programs. These are by far our most favorite programs to conduct and host as well. And mostly because, one, we get to talk about food, which is one of our favorite topics. and two, because we get to cook and then later eat the food that we're cooking. So this is definitely one of our most favorite programs to do. I would suggest if you're doing any of the other programs, Kickstart, Total Reset, or Spine Fit, the food programs are included as part of that. So if you're signing up for the overall program, you're anyway getting all of this. But if at all you're only focused on diet, then you can choose to do the individual food programs or both as well. Yeah, because both are mutually exclusive. You will learn different things in different programs.
Did Kanika give away the entire program for free over here?
No, not at all. There is so much more that we will be learning.
Oh, there is.
This is nothing, Vaisakana. This is just like a tiny, tiny little hint.
Tip of the iceberg, I would
Exactly.
say.
So even though I want,
This is something I want to say something. You know, we were struggling with this because when we were designing our flyers, Tuhina and Sanam were designing the posters, and they were like, "There is so much that we're offering. How do we put all this in the flyer?" Because there is genuinely so much. There is the app, there is tech support, there is reminders, there is vitals that you can track. There are articles and content that will be shared, which will be related to the program and at a certain pace. Then, of course, there are these live sessions. There is live cooking. So there's just so much happening that if anyone joins this program, they will not miss any aspect of being guided and coached. So it's as if, you know, there's so much individual attention on each participant to give them that coaching. And of course, the community aspect of doing this with a lot of other people from all over the world.
awesome.
There's also one more thing that I wanted to add. So this program is not only for a completely new person to let's say our Isha practices. I would suggest that even someone who's maybe done more advanced practices also, but maybe they're not being regular with their practices, or they've kind of fallen off track with a lot of these other aspects like eating right, or doing other meditations and not being able to find the time. I think a program like this would really help them to kind of set a routine and rebuild those healthy habits that they might have dropped off along the way. So yeah.
Sanamaka wanted to win the prize.
No, but what she's saying is true, because in our past virtual online programs, we had participants who had done, all the advanced Isha programs, Samyama participants, and they shared how powerful the online program was for them, because it really gave them an opportunity to relook at so many aspects of just a way of life that they found it really helpful.
Yeah, because I think it makes a difference, right? When you're doing it on your own and when you are doing it under guidance. So here, like what Kanika mentioned, that it's like, you're getting individual attention. We are constantly monitoring your habits, how well you're keeping up with the practices, when you're sharing, say today I made this, and, from the recipes that we had shared, and, that we are part of your journey. And I think that makes a huge difference when you have that necessary support. So I think that's what makes it a little different. So it doesn't matter whether you've done advanced programs or if you've done other kinds of yoga. You can always continue doing those things and use this as a support to establish those practices also, in a much more deeper manner. So yeah, Sanam put out a very good point.
Prize, Akka, you are the winner. Yeah, one more. Again.
She wins the hamper.
Basically, in a nutshell, if I wanted to, so I want to talk about the app a little bit, because this is something that is it's different from what is available right now out there. And what we've tried to make this app, or what this app actually is, it's kind of like Instagram for yogis. It's literally like that, if I have to put it in a nutshell. You can kind of update, you can post, you can share everything that you've been doing, and it's a community driven app actually. So everyone has to kind of participate for that, for the app to really function the way we want it to function. And I think that, but the app also kind of enables you or makes you want to share. So that's a really beautiful thing because, yeah, like we said, you can
Also
feel,
comment
yeah, you can
on those.
comment.
Is subscribe is there?
No, no like, no like. But everything else in terms of getting that engagement going to make sure that people are holding each other accountable and lifting each other up through this through their journey is a pivotal point, is a pivotal aspect of the program as well.
Awesome. Okay. So right now we have talked about like what the app is. So like, what are your like future plans? Like, is there some long-term vision for this, which you have, or you're right now like this is it?
No, definitely. So one, of course, would be, I want to mention one thing before Tuhina and Sanam share their views on this. But we've always had a certain vision for this, that, we're very clear that this is part one, phase one of our, of Align Me. We have a lot of things that we want to do with this. Of course, upgrading and improvements to the functionality of the app. Of course, those will be that will be a part of what phase two will hold. And right now, while this is mainly for people to experience, learn new practices and meditations and aspects of food, we want to also build a certain version of it which will be targeted towards meditators in particular. So people who've done, say, all Hatha Yoga programs, or who've done majority of the Hatha Yoga programs, who've done a majority of the advanced Isha programs that happen, but are just struggling or have sort of lost touch with their practices and haven't been maintaining the rigor and the intensity that they would want to maintain. So to keep them on the sort of on the ball with this, and make sure that there is a version that is specifically designed for people who have a certain number of programs that they've done. And so to make sure that, they're getting reminders, having functionalities like they want to start a mandala, how to get reminders tailor-made for that, things like that. So yeah, we definitely want to do that. There will be a Align Me Intense edition somewhere down the line for sure.
Yes.
And Sanam and Tuhina, you want to share about the other collaborations?
No, they don't. No.
Okay, so I'll share about that. So one thing which we actually already started the process of and are talking to a few people already is we want to do these wellness pop-up workshops, so where we want to invite other people who are maybe experts in their fields, maybe with food, nutrition, maybe they just want to teach you how to make healthy cookies or something like that, which like I said, experts in their own fields, but at the same time kind of aligned with what we are talking about in our program. So it won't just be random people coming. It'll be very well thought as to why are we inviting this person to come and do this workshop for us, and how do we keep adding value to our programs and helping our participants expand their knowledge in the wellness field. So having said that, we're actually sending out an open invitation right now to any of you who are listening to this podcast. If you would like to collaborate with us, if you would like to come and if you think you have the knowledge and you want to share something, you want to conduct a certain workshop which is in the wellness space, then please get in touch with us. We'd be more than happy to chat with you about it. And if our interests align, then
Punchline.
Plug that in there.
Punchline.
Yeah, you didn't let me finish the punchline. But yeah, if our interests align, then I'm sure we'll make something really wonderful happen. So do write to us and let us know if you want to kind of collaborate with us in some way.
Tuhinaka, this is your chance.
No, I'm very at complete ease. I just love how these women are explaining things. So there is no sense of that. But I think Kanaka and Sanam very beautifully already explained what we are thinking of. And yeah, I think like we are not limited by just what is being offered at currently. This is just like the starting phase. I think what this process so far has taught us is that if there is that intention, to bring something beautiful, things just somehow find its way. And I think our shared vision is essentially that we want to bring wellness, health, and creativity to people in the most fun and an interactive and a positive manner. It should never feel like, it shouldn't cause you stress, right? Like eating healthy should not cause stress in the body that, oh my God, I have to eat raw salad. And if I've not eaten this much, how will this, then you take away the joy from it, and that defeats the entire purpose. So I think that is our overall vision, to be able to bring wellness and health to people in the most effective, fun, enjoyable way. And that can happen in so many ways, like through collaborations. We want to expand, and we want to see that how yoga is one aspect of it, but there are multiple things that can fall under it. And we are willing to explore and just see as we grow, whichever direction it takes. And I think that flexibility is what is so exciting, because then you have this entire possibility of what it can grow into. So as of now, what Sanam and Kanaka mentioned, I think that is the next step, and we never know where where it will lead us. And that's
Sky is the limit.
yeah.
Punchline.
What?
So what are the contact details other than Kanikaka's home bell where they can reach out to you?
Come home, call me anytime.
They're like in Kanaka's home.
So
I think
first,
contact details.
yeah.
Okay, Kanika, you can go.
No, I just wanted to share. It would be really nice if they can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The handle for Instagram is Align Me, so ALIGNME, and there's an underscore after that. We didn't get Align Me alone, so there's an underscore after that.
Align Me.
So please, Align Me underscore. So please follow us on Instagram, because we've been sharing our program details, all exciting upcoming details on that platform mostly. And we also keep sharing wellness tips on Instagram as well, so you can follow us there. And Sanam can share the rest of the details, the links, etc.
I think that's about it. But if you want, you can also contact us directly. So if you're already following us on Instagram, if you're following Kanika, or if you're following Tuhina or me, you can just message us, send us a direct message. And anyway, we're going to be posting a lot about the program, so you can reply to our stories, or you can reply to our posts, and that would be the best way to reach out to us, actually.
Tuhinaka has 2 pages.
Share your Instagrams.
Tuhinaka has 2 pages.
Also, yeah.
Which one to contact? Which one to contact?
Anyone.
Yeah, anywhere. I'll be available on both the pages.
I'm messaging and trial. Guys, I'll trial.
She's also in Goa. If you want to meet her in Goa, you can say Goa.
You can also, actually, you can reach out to Vaisu Anna also if you want to know more.
Yes.
You don't know how to reach out.
I will start my own Align Me page just to get more likes.
Vaisu Anna just wants to join Align Me now. He's like, why am I not part of this?
He's already a part of it, I think.
No,
he's one of our,
but now
by virtue of doing this podcast with us, he's a team member now. And there's no choice out of it.
Peace out.
No,
like this, Align Me.
Align Me logo.
All of us should do this, guys. Align Me.
Okay, so now that you're an honorary member of our company and of our team, you have to come and do the program.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So
we just got our first participant by Sakana.
Second. This is the
second participant.
But he's our honorary participant.
Just one thing, I'm
He's
sorry,
our
I wanted to
first
quickly
participant.
add. you can definitely reach out to us on our Instagram accounts, like we mentioned earlier. And in case you want to get to know a little more details about the programs, timings, fee structure, and all of those things, you can also visit our page on InstaMojo. The link is available on these handles when you go on all profiles, the links are mentioned. So you can just go there as well, and just in depth, you'll get a little more information about each of these programs. If you wish to enroll, then you're just a click away. So that's another place where you can visit.
I'll put all the links in the description.
Yes, please, Anna, put everything in the description.
So do we get a jam session? Tuhinaka's guitar jam session. Do we get it?
Yes.
I don't have my guitar here, but
Hey.
Sanam has a ukulele, and she's also now a proper representative of flight.
Sanam is an
She's
an
influencer
ambassador
now.
for this ukulele brand, which is
Oh.
so amazing.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I remember like
The
my music.
Hungarian brand, right, Sanam? If I'm not mistaken, is it?
It's actually a Slovenian.
Actually, it's a
brand
Slovenian.
which makes ukulele.
Eastern European.
Tuhinaka is hungry. Hungarian and all. Hungarian.
So
Yeah,
the sun
so-
is setting, so now the juices in my stomach are flowing. But yes.
Yeah,
So
it's
Sanam
an,
is gonna play the ukulele.
Are you Akka?
Not right now. But
Okay.
let's do it.
That for all who comes
With
into the
Vaishnav
Align Me
now.
in the Align Me
If
program.
you
Yes.
join the program,
Align
Yeah.
Me.
हम ऐसे
Clickbait.
free में नहीं गाते.
Yeah, the clickbait.
Gee, gee, gee. Good.
And what about the hair care session, guys? As you can see, all three ladies have awesome hair. So ask for hair care. Tuhinaka,
I
you
was
make
saying
soaps
that
and
Tuhina will be the core leader of that program, which we will also attend because
Yeah.
she knows all about organic skincare and hair care
Yes.
and what is like. She knows everything. Is what I want to say.
Yeah.
For all you know, there will be a line of
Interesting.
Align Me organic hair care and
Yeah,
skincare products
why
also
not?
coming out. Why not? Who knows
And-
where this takes us?
Yeah.
And again, this brings
Yes.
us back to this point of collaboration. So if somebody wants to kind of bounce their ideas off, if they own a brand that makes organic products of soaps or shampoos or any kind of cosmetic products, get in touch with us. Tuhina is super interested in all these things, and she's always
Yes.
she's always guiding us, on different products. So that will also be a really lovely way for you to get the word out.
I have to
So
go
get
to
in-
Ahmedabad. I have to go to Ahmedabad now.
She's
Yeah.
in Goa.
Go!
Come to
Yeah.
Goa now, yes, right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, so one more thing. Eventually, we will do retreats also. So
Oh.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Align Me retreats in
Oh.
Goa and Sri Lanka and
Oh,
everywhere.
Bali, Spain.
I'm
We have
editing off
lots
this
of
part.
plans,
I'm
I
editing
spent
off
a
this
lot
This
of
is
lots of
gonna be phenomenal. Like all
a
three of us
long
are gonna
term
be.
love affair.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
So anything last like you guys would like to add to the viewers? This is the last chance to win it all. One by
I just want to say thank you, Vaisa Kana, for
No.
having us.
You won it
As
already. You won
always.
it already.
No, but seriously, like always, it's been always lovely for me to chat with you, and doing it with my two favorite women in my life is even more special. So thank you for having all three of us.
Thank you.
And maybe Saram and Tuhina want to say something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no, the same thing. Thank you, Vaisavana, so much for conducting this and providing us this platform to share about our little baby and just being, just keeping this so alive. And it's been a true honor that you are now part of our team. And thank you so much for it. And everybody
And we can't
who's
wait
here
for
till
you
the
to
end.
do the program.
Yes, we can't wait for you to do the program. And all those who stayed all this while to to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching us, and I hope that this might have sparked a little bit of interest for you to explore, and we'd be so happy to have you on board with us. Thank you.
Sanamaka, you were saying something.
Yeah,
And Tuhina said, Sanamaka was going to say something new, and Tuhina said, like, we are saying the same thing.
Yeah, it's like they said everything again. But I'll also start by just saying thank you, Vaishwana, for having us on your show and on your podcast. And for me, like I mentioned earlier, not on record, but now I'm putting it on record. It's like a starstruck moment, right? Because Vaishwana is like everywhere on my Instagram, and I'm actually
Celebrity meditator.
yeah, and I'm actually talking to him, and I'm on his podcast, so that's pretty cool. Thank you once again. For anybody who's still listening, thanks for staying and listening to us. I hope this was, I hope one thing that I really wanted from this podcast to come across was the kind of passion, the energy, and the love that the three of us have for the project, and also the kind of relationship and bond that we share amongst ourselves, which is not limited to just ourselves. We've formed through our online programs such beautiful bonds with our participants who maybe did something long time ago, but they're still in touch with us, and it's kind of it's very strange. You always feel like to form a very strong bond with someone, you need to meet them, you need to have spent a lot of time with them. But here it's just online. Maybe it's a lot more that obviously is being given to them through the programs than we think, but there's this beautiful connect that gets formed, and so energy kind of extends to everyone out there. And I hope this kind of came through in the podcast for people to really get to know us. And yeah, I think you should just come and try it. Just try one program. Just do 3 weeks and see how you feel about it. And then, I'm pretty sure you'll want to continue and do 6 weeks, and then you'll come back and ask us to do
Retreat.
6 months.
6 months.
Then there'll be like yearly memberships or something. But I also want to say one last thing, that there is also the option for them to try a 3-day trial if they want to just get a flavor, get a feel of what it's all about. So we'll be opening that option for the free trial soon. So just keep a lookout for that. Follow us on our social media, and we'll be sharing those details shortly. It's not open yet, the free trial, but it'll be starting in a few days. Yeah.
Awesome. So thank you so much for sharing, align me with all of us. So thank you so much. Thank you, Akka.
Thank you.
Yeah. Guys,
Thank
don't
you.
go share and follow them, okay? Don't follow.
Why?
I'm just kidding. So please go follow all their pages.
As long as you follow Vaisa Khanna and he posts about our programs, we're okay.
Okay, Akka. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Yeah.